Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. So in today's video I will quickly show you how you can replace your fuel filter on your car. In this car the fuel filter is just right here. For some cars it can be in different location, but the principle is still the same. So let's go and let's get this fuel filter replaced.
Guys, check this out.
Now as you can see in here is actually held by two screws, one here and one just down there. Get a screwdriver, unscrew this and it should just come off. So here's the new fuel filter. So I just got this right next to me, so when I'm just taking this off I will just do a straight swap so there's less leak in here. So guys, thank you for watching, and that's how you change the fuel filter in this car. As always, if you have enjoyed this video, just do make sure to press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you for next time. Goodbye.